Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you my 2 favorite meal prep ideas, and they're super quick and easy and they taste so good. And just a disclaimer, I do not do meal prep on a regular basis, but when I do, these are the meal prep options I like to go for. They're just ideal quick meals that would be really good to stay healthy at universities. So if you're going to university or college, I would recommend these. They're super quick and easy. Not a lot of time is required. My meal prep idea number 1 is it's going to be baked chicken breast, broccoli, and rice. I meal prep that for 3 days of the week. For the other 2 days, I meal prep a teriyaki chicken, pepper and onion, and asparagus. And that's pretty much like a chicken stir fry I like to make, and that's super good. So I do that for 2 days of the week. So if you're interested in seeing how I come up with these super quick and easy meal prep ideas, then just keep on watching. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my meal prep idea video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe. As you can see, they're all some pretty quick and easy, simple meals to meal prep, and they're super healthy and taste amazing, trust me. Also, if you want to just have one of the meals I've shown you today 5 days in a row, you could definitely do that. I just think it keeps it a little bit more interesting when you're not eating the same food every day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.